This is Talk. Suspects have a foothold in this area and they're refusing to cooperate.
Got your back.
Entry team, you are
Element.
cleared to proceed with the mission.
Hold it.
Holding.
Entry team to talk. Civilians bleeding out.
Talk to Element. Copy. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Get down!
Done.
Ground now! Turn around and stay still. Move over there. Get down! I want to see hands! I have to cuff you for our safety.
I just want to go home.
Element to talk. Civilian cuffed and ready for trailers.
Talk reporting. Copy that. Trailers incoming.
Leave the talk. We got a dead civilian here.
Talk reporting. Roger that. Continue with your mission.
Hands on your head! Police, get your hands up!
Nah, you got it.
Police, hands on your head!
Turn
Turn around, keep your hands up. Look away, don't move.
fucking pigs.
Suspect standing by for transport.
This is Talk. On your entry team.
Get
Great
down!
work.
Down
Keep
on your
going.
knees, slowly! Move and stay there. Down on your knees! Get down on the ground, now! Turn around. Police, get down!
You don't know who you're fucking with.
One suspect in custody, compliant.
Talk to entry team. Copy entry team. Notifying trailers.
Move there. Stay down and turn around. Stay down.
I'm listening to
Trying to
you.
live large, man. I got
Entry team
nothing.
talk. Suspect is secure.
Talk
Turn
reporting.
around slowly.
Roger that. Trailers en route.
Stay here. Stay calm.
Pretty sure cuffs are for the bad guys? With
Element
the
to
guns?
talk. Civilian is standing by for trailers.
Talk to entry team. Copy entry team. Notifying trailers.
Leave the talk. We lost a civilian. Repeat, civilian killed.
Talk to entry team. Copy that entry team. Proceed with mission.
Collecting evidence. your goddamn knees, now!
Please.
Hands on your head, do it now! Turn around, don't get up. Keep your hands behind your back.
Get me out of here.
Talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
Talk to Element. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Fuck, go after them, not me.
Entry team to talk. Civilian cuffed and prepped for evac.
Talk to entry team. Roger that. Trailers en route.
I don't want to
Element to talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
This is Talk. Copy. Move on.
Search and secure the area.
Got the closet. Checking the closet.
Get down and keep your hands up!
Cuffed and ready. Talk.
Talk to Element. Roger. Trailers inbound.
Handcuffing.
Turn around and stay
Keep your
still.
hands behind your back. Hands up and good to go.
Talk reporting. Copy that. Put him on safe and let him hang. Great job.